our vocabulary words, level C, lesson 6, with teacher Brian Stott. I love to learn with him. He is a wonderful teacher. Maybe he famous.
Yes.
He a famous teacher.
Like you, famous student?
No, I'm not famous. Okay, let's learn with me. That one. Teacher Brian Stott. Fossil fuels. Hello, today we're going to learn about fossil fuels. We are on lesson 6. Lesson 6 is fossil fuels. Focus on, let's learn about how places from long ago can cause pollution today. What is that? What is a fossil fuel? We're learning about health. It's health. Okay, fossil fuel. What is these things doing? What are these things doing? Just like they're doing what? I don't know. They're collecting they're collecting oil, and they turn them into gas. We have oil and we turn them into gas. We need gas for the motorcycle and the cars. So we can turn the oil into the gas. Oil and gas. So now you know about these things doing. There are so many that are doing with them. Can be done. He got an A+. Wow, that's great. Can be done. Yes, you can be done. Okay, you are possible. Possible. Be careful of S-I. Possible. Possible. To need. He is a firefighter. A firefighter. To need. Firefighter. This firefighter is putting out the fire. Require. To need is to require. Require. What is to need? These firefighters are required. They are required. It's to need. Okay. What is a require? It's a require is to need, and to need is a require. Connected with a city. Connected with a city. Wow! Very big city. It looks just like my city. It's urban. Urban. We don't say urban. No, we don't say that. Urban. Urban. So we have another word for urban. Urban is a city and rural is a country. Just like a village or a town. It's rural.
Yes, I know.
Industrial. Industrial is having to do with factories. We are on our work list for is industrial. Having to do with factory is industrial. That's an interesting word. Have you ever heard about industrial? But I don't know what an industrial is. Oh, that is left. This is a scary spider, and the rock is covered with mud, and it's soft. That's a spider. The mud is cold, and the spider can't make webs in, and it's died a long day. It's all that is left. All that is left. All that is left. remains, remains, remains. All that is left is remains, remains, remains is remains. Be careful of and remains. To come together. To come together is what? Is form, just like I'm from Vietnam. Is to come together. Form, forming. Oh, okay, I'm from Vietnam. If I was in Vietnam and I moved to somewhere place, I said to people, I'm from Vietnam, so people knows that. My family do that too. A series of action or change. You making a cake is step 2, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. There's 4 steps to make a cake. It's an action or change. Action and change. It's process. 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 Be careful of these 2 X. Process. Process. To change something for something else. And you have a light bulb and it can't light anymore. And you buy a new light bulb. This is a light bulb and it can light. You switch it. But what are you doing? You are replacing. Replace. Replace. Just like I have an old light bulb and I switch it, I use a new one, I am replacing. Just like I'm putting the old light bulb out from the place to let go. To let go. Oh, this person is still that. I love it so much. It release and it might come to you. When it miss you, it might come back to you, but it just cannot back to you. Okay, to let go is to release it. Release. Be careful of release. Release. Okay, to save. These kids are trying to help the earth. They're trying to help the earth. If we grow plants and bushes everywhere, you are helping the earth. You are conserved. Just like I have a plant and I conserve them every day. I save them every day. I will protect the plant from the animals like to eat plants. I will not let them eat that. To save is to conserve. 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 Okay, it's to save. That means you save the plants and maybe you can conserve your animal. But it doesn't use for animal, it used for plants. Conserve the plants. A black stone burn for heat. A black stone burn for heat. What is that? It's a coal. Coal. That's a difficult word. Be careful of C. It's very difficult to pronounce. Coal. O. And be careful of L. Coal. Oh, coal is a black stone burned for heat. A coal is a black stone burned for heat. And look at this. It looks like carbon. Look very the same as carbon. But doesn't carbon is a coal. But you can coal is carbon too. You become used up. You become used up. Oh. Be careful of this. You have no gas. That means you drive a lot and drive and drive and drive. But you are run out of gas and you can't drive.
If you have money, you buy gas.
Okay.
And then
You can say run out of many things. Run out of gas, run out of water, run out of food, run out of blankets. But I have many blankets on my bedroom. They cannot run out of that. To become used up. Okay. So you know about that. Run out of many things. To make dirty. Ew, I don't want to smell that. I don't want to smell that. It's so dirty. To make dirty. Ew, I don't want to smell. It's pollute. Pollute is just like pollution. Don't make pollution if there are cars driving on the road. Many cars, they can be pollution and the smoke in the house blow out. That will be pollution for our earth. So now I know about it. You know about it. It's to make dirty. Make dirty is pollute. I never like pollute. They're too bad for us. And they smell so smelly. Something that produces heat or power is food. He ate breakfast, a lot of things. The breakfast is a food, so he can ride bicycle very fast. But he's used an engine. No, he used his legs. Okay, sun is something that produces heat or power. It's fuel. He's riding his bicycle and he has so much fuel. Oh, wow. Okay, it's a fuel. Just like the word fossil fuel. A part of the place. A part of the place is the air
the end.
area. Area. I'm trying to say the word area. It's a part of the place. A part of a place is an area. Wow, a very large town. Yay! I like this so much. It looks just like my what? My this. It looks just like a very large town. Look like my this. My what? So we have a village. It's small and a little bit bigger. We say it's town, and it's the biggest is my city. My city. Hooray! I love my city. When at night they're so colorful. Okay, it's all finished. Goodbye. See you next time.